guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what rewards you can get once you've reached DG level 55. So, well, in Heartopia. So let's open this up, and as you can see, we will get the premium hobby upgrade ticket, the Farmhouse Well, and 20 wishing stars. So it costs 30,000 to upgrade. Learn. And I can finally upgrade another hobby of mine. So I think I might upgrade gardening again, because I do need to unlock the cocoa pod, which then I can make a lot of foods for the cooking hobby. Like, I can unlock stuff. But yeah, that is it. Those are the rewards you can get from being DG member level 55. Hopefully I'll be 56 soon. Not the age, by the way, just the level. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.